Hi, I am RS Man. Are you the manufacturers or shops to design or make integrated cupboards, cabinets, or doors? Do you want to make easier and boost productions? I am ready to show you the best ideas to have the modern and high-efficiency production line for your productions. Just spend a few minutes watching this video. I will never let you down. Think about it, and you will have the best future for them. Please see the Cabinet Vision, a software so strong to design any kind of styles for cupboards or cabinets. Let you think easily and design more. We select this software with our CNC routers. You can search Cabinet Vision through Google, and you will know how it works. After designing, you can print the QR codes. They record the programs for everywhere that should be drilled or engraved. You only need to paste it onto the right working piece. The machine with uploading and downloading function will work smartly. The sheets will be moved in one by one to cut the correct sizes. These working pieces are okay with QR codes, and move out to be ready to go start the continuous steps. Every board will be banded for their edges by the edge banding machines, to make all boards smooth. Scan the working piece, and clamp it onto the PTP multifunction CNC router. The machine will start to drill every side, or do any design that you want on this board. Look, a completed furniture is in front of you, so quick and easy. Please, don't hesitate to contact us if you are interested, and let us help you have the correct solution for your productions. Our website, www.rushingspeedcnc.com. Our business email, rushingspeedcnc@gmail.com. Our business phone, 0086-156-188-57188. For more information, please visit our website.